Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you have your Apple ID and password ready, because you will need them to change subscriptions. Once done, make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network so changes sync. Now open Settings and tap your name, then choose iCloud. This is the control center for your storage plan. You're already taking the first actionable step, locating the iCloud settings where storage upgrades and subscription controls live. Next, go into Manage Storage or iCloud Storage to view your current plan and usage. Tap Change Storage Plan or Downgrade options to see available tiers. This is where you cancel or reduce the upgrade. You will be shown how downgrading affects storage limits, so review your stored data. When you choose a lower plan or cancel, the system will require your Apple ID password to authorize. Enter it and confirm to proceed. Make sure you understand. Finally, review the confirmation screen and check your Apple ID billing to confirm the plan shows as downgraded or canceled, and note the effective date. Make sure your current iCloud content fits within the new quota before that date, otherwise data may be removed. If something goes wrong, like the plan still appears active, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a refresh, and contact Apple support if it persists. This step completes cancellation and secures your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.